know until we pay attention. Don't ever fall in love, for it's the devil's own invention. Once I fell in love with a maiden so bewitching, Miss Henrietta Bell out of Captain Kelly's kitchen. With a tooralooralai, with a tooralooraladdie, with a tooralooralai. Mammy, who's me daddy?
At the age of 17, I was apprenticed to a grocer, not far from Stephen's Green, where Miss Henry used to go, sir. Her manners were sublime, and me heart she said a twitching when she invited me to a holy in the kitchen.
With a tooralooralai, with a tooralooraladdie, with a tooralooralai. Mammy, who's me daddy? Next Sunday being the day we were to have that flare up, I dressed myself quite gay and I frizzed and dialed my hair up. The captain had no wife, he went and gone a fishing, and we stepped up the high life down below stairs in the kitchen. With a tooralooralai, with a tooralooraladdie, with a tooralooralai. Mammy, who's me daddy?
With her arms around me waist, she slyly hinted marriage. To the door in dreadful haste came old Captain Kelly's carriage. Her eyes they filled with hate, her face it started twitching. She said to get to hell or far away here from this kitchen. With a tooralooralai, with a tooralooraladdie, with a tooralooralai. Mammy, who's me daddy? Well, the captain came downstairs, he saw my situation.
In spite of all me prayers and me master for castration,
She swore I robbed the house in spite of all her screeching.
and I got 6 months hard for me carting in the kitchen.
With a tooralooralai, with a tooralooraladdie, with a tooralooralai. Mammy, who's me daddy? With a tooralooralai, with a tooralooraladdie, with a tooralooralai. Mammy, who's me daddy? With a